Hey, what's going on, Fragrance family? It's your boy Zeus Giovanni, aka the Fragrance Aficionado. And today I am doing a review on a great summer scent. Everybody should have this in their stock, in their library, in their collection of colognes. It's none other than Louis Vuitton's Afternoon Swim. I have refilled this bottle at Louis Vuitton twice already. Been through 2 summers. Love the scent. It's an amazing scent. It's crafted to like olfactory senses or something. It's just a great, great scent. I haven't met anybody who I have been around that smelled this that hasn't been like, man, that is super clean, super citrusy. It's got that tea smell in it. It's just an unbelievable scent. Let me give you like a scenario. Imagine this. You're poolside on a rooftop. Sunlight dancing across the water. You got a mimosa in your hand or a nice, with me, I wouldn't have a mimosa, maybe a rosé sangria or something in your hand. And that's Afternoon Swim, man, in a bottle. Citrus bombshell. One of the freshest, most compliment snatching scents in the game. It's just an unbelievable scent. Your scent profile. But you know what? Before we get into that, let me do. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Let me do my atomizer and my smell check. It feels to be pressurized. Man, I don't even know what to say. It's just let's just get to these notes. Top notes, you got juicy orange, zesty bergamot, and vibrant mandarin. So right off the top of the bat, you are just getting a burst of citrus, like citrus, like Sprite in a bottle. Well, Sprite does come in a bottle, so maybe Sprite in a cologne bottle. Longevity of this, it's surprisingly solid for a citrus-forward parfum. Your projection on it is bright, clean. It's impossible to ignore, guys. It's 100% unisex fragrance. Women can wear it, men can wear it. It's well balanced. It's designed to deliver an energetic shot of vitamin C for your soul. It's part of the exclusive Les colognes from Louis Vuitton line, which also includes Sun Song and Cactus Garden. And me, myself, I believe it also includes that Sabless Rose cologne. Think art meets luxury, bottled in a signature blue glass with the wave illustrations that match the scent's aquatic, uplifting vibe. Now, if you're looking for clones or dupes of this and you want to get close to it, you're never going to get on it, but you'll get close to it without dropping that 300 plus. Alexandria Fragrances Afternoon Splash, Alt Fragrances Crystal 23. Now these dupes hit that citrus DNA, but cannot match the Louis Vuitton elegance. Now why would you need this cologne? It's a good question. Summer date night approved. Clean, juicy, and addictively refreshing. Compliments roll in like waves, folks. I mean, I get complimented all the time when I wear this. I highly recommend this as a top tier warm weather beast. Summer is here, and this is where it's at. Louis Vuitton Afternoon Swim. This right here is elegant citrus blast beast mode in a bottle. Let's talk in the comments. Have you tried Afternoon Swim or any of its clones? I'm curious to know. What's your go-to citrus fragrance? Please like, subscribe to the Fragrance Aficionado with Zeus Giovanni across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on my reviews, giveaways, and finest scents in the game. And as always, please stay safe, stay fragrant, and stay blessed.